I bought this lithium battery that claimed to have 2,500 milliamp hour and 35 amp of discharge current. Unfortunately, none of it's true. This battery has to be only 626 milliamp hour. It's roughly a quarter of the claim size. I'm going to take it apart and see what's inside. One is clear, the other is purple. Yep, that's a plastic insulation disc that got glued on with some sort of double-sided tape. It's 18, that seems to be alright. And I'm gonna short this out, but I don't really care. It's 64.43, that's about 650. A lot of cheap cells are either very loosely packed battery material in there, or they have a tiny battery pack hidden in a big cylinder. I'm curious to see which one is this. I mean, this is only 600 milliamp hour. If this thing does get caught on fire, it's not going to be a big fire. There we go. Okay, so it was wrapped like that somehow. And then, let's see, that's a negative connector. Got yanked out. I think it was connected to here. And then that side is a positive. And that's it. The inside of a 600 milliamp hour battery that claimed to be 2,500 milliamp hour.